Hi, this is Bob with CarCovers.com. If you use your car covers outdoors, we have a great solution for you. It's our Gust Strap Wind Protector Kit. Comes with 2 bungee cords and 4 clips to help secure your cover in the front and the back. Very easy to install. Let me show you. The clips come with a small lever and a clamp. What you want to do is you want to grab your cover just in front of the front tire, pull it over, slip the clip into place as far as you can, and then push the clip forward until you hear at least 3 clicks. There you go. That ensures it's got a good grip on your cover. Take the bungee cord, insert it into the reinforced hole. Take your bungee, come under your bumper to the other side. Pull the Gust strap here on this side, hook it up, boom, you're done. That will protect your car against any kind of elements. Call one of our representatives when you order your cover and ask for your Gust Strap Wind Protector Kit today.